Hello students, how are you? I hope you are good. So today we are going to start the topic addition of 3-digit number with the carryover. As in the previous video students, you have done the addition of 3-digit number with the carryover. So today we will do some examples. Okay, we will revise the chapter and we will do some examples so that the topic becomes more easier for you. So let us take one example and we will find how to solve it. First example is 368 plus 429. So first of all, what we will do? We will arrange the numbers according to the place value. What is the place value? Place value of a number is ones, tens, hundred. This is the place value. The number is placed according to the place value chart. This is a 3-digit number, so we have ones, tens, hundred. So let us divide the number according to the place value. Ones, tens, and hundred. This is the 8 is at ones place, 6 is at tens place, and 3 is at hundred place. Then 9 is at ones place, 2 is at tens place, and 4 is at hundred place. So accordingly we have written the number according to the place value. Ones, we have written all the ones under the ones column, and tens number under the tens column, and hundred number at the hundred columns. Now let us add. 8 plus 9 is 17. So you have to follow the steps. First step is arrange in arrange the number in place value. Arrange the number in place value. Second, we will add the ones. ठीक है, as we have add the ones, what we are getting? We are getting 8 plus 9 is 17. So 17, we can't write 17 again. This is 1. This is a 2-digit number, ones and tens. So we can write 17. हम 17 को कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 1 tens and 7 ones. So this is the 7 ones. So again we will write the ones under the ones column, and this 1 tens will be carried over to the tens place. Okay student, again 17 को हमने रीग्रुप कर दिया अकॉर्डिंग टू द प्लेस वैल्यू. तो क्या हो जाएगा 17 की प्लेस वैल्यू वंस एंड टेंस. 7 हमारा वंस की जगह पे और 1 हमारा टेंस की जगह पे. तो 7 को हमने 7 जो वंस है उसको हमने वंस की जगह पे लिख दिया, और जो ये 1 टेंस है उसको कैरी कर दिया टू द टेंस प्लेस. दिस 1 is carried over to the tens place. So what we will get? 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 and 9 is 16. Again we will add the third step. What we will do? We will add the tens. Then after adding the tens, अगर हम ऐड कर रहे हैं टेंस को तो क्या मिल रहा है आपको? 6 plus 7, 7 and 9 is 16. Again 16 can be regrouped as 1 tens and 6 ones. Again स्टूडेंट हम क्या करेंगे? 6 वंस है तो 6 वंस को हम वंस की कॉलम में लिखेंगे, और जो टेंस वाला 1 है, 1 टेंस है, वो कैरीड ओवर 100 हो जाएगा. दिस विल बिकम this is a tens and this is a 100. So this will become 106 tens. Okay student, because 16 जो है 6 है वो टेंस की कॉलम में है ना. टेंस की कॉलम में है तो हम टेंस की कॉलम में 6 लिखेंगे, और जो 16 का जो 1 है वो कौन सी प्लेस पे? 100 कॉलम पे. तो दिस 100 विल बी कैरीड ओवर टू द 100 प्लेस. So we will just carry this one to the 100 place. what we will get? 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 and 4 is 8. So the sum of 368 and 499 is 867. This is your answer. I hope students you have understood the topic. Now let us take one more example. We will take 489 plus 197. Okay, this is the number. Again, first what we will do, we will arrange the number according to the place value. So 489, this is the ones, tens and 100. In this, 7 is at ones place, 9 is at tens place, and 1 is at 100 place. What is the second step, students? Yes, we will add the ones. What is the value of ones? 9 ones and 7 ones is equal to 16 ones. Again, 16 ones can be written as, this is ones and this is tens. So 1 tens and 6 ones. So again क्या करेंगे अब? 6 ones को हम ones के कॉलम में लिखेंगे और 1 tens है. This is tens. So this will be carried over to the tens place. So 1 is carried over to the tens place. So what is the total? 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. Again 18. 18 is grouped है. 18 को हम रीग्रुप कर देंगे ones और tens में. ठीक है, तो ये क्या आएगा? 8 है वो इसकी प्लेस पे है, tens की प्लेस पे. And this is at 100 place. So 100 plus 8 tens. So this 8 tens, ये जो 8 tens है will be carried over to the tens place, and this 100 will be carried over to the 100 place. ठीक है, जो 100 है 100 पे carry over हो जाएगा. Okay, so we have carried 100 to the 100 column. 411 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. So answer is 686. I hope student you have understood how to add the 3 digit